welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy Quora's profile URL. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Quora app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like home, following, your answer, spaces and notifications. Then on the top left corner, you're going to see your profile picture or your user icon. Select that. Now you can see there's a profile picture or your user icon, and right below that, you're going to find your name. Select that. Then you can see options like edit profile, and right beside it, you're going to find share option. Select that. Then from the bottom of your screen, you're going to find a small menu. From there, go ahead and select copy. And guys, that's it. That's how you copy Quora's profile URL. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.